everyone, Snorpacks here. Managed to pick myself up a Pokemon tin. I can't tell you the number because it's hidden under here. But got this from B&M Bargains, absolutely lovely. So let's get cracked into it and see what we get. So then, as you see, we've got a Temporal Forces, a Paradox Rift, and a base set Scarlet and Violet. A Fuecoco sticker, and a River Room. Start with the Temporal Forces. Again, don't really remember which ones are the chase cards for this. I think Paradox Rift, I want the, is it the Magikarp? Let's just go through and see what we get. So we've got a Leaf Energy, a Mawile, I think I've seen that artwork, that's quite pretty. A Meditite, Turtonator, I can go to the Snore bin. Let's get it through. A cute little Beldum, Metagross, a Roserade, Keldeo, a reverse Palafin, a reverse Boltund, my brother-in-law's favourite Pokemon, and a Iron Valiant. Again, beautiful cards. Straight into the Paradox Rift. What have your luck been like going to B&M, anything like that? Have you managed to pick up any at MSRP? I was obviously buzzing when I found these. Very difficult at the minute to try and find them. Got a Leaf Energy, a little Gibble, lovely artwork for the Pampor there, lovely again for the Blitzel. I think this, yeah, Shinji Kondo, I think a lot of people collect the artwork for that one. A Bonsweet, a cute little Tulip, a Veluza, Shortle, a lovely little reverse holo Charcadet, a Honedge reverse holo, and a Garganacl. Pulled quite a few of the Garganacl illustration rares from the new Mega set. Absolutely love that, but I did end up giving one of the copies to my brother-in-law. Got that one. Got a Fighting Energy. A Dolliv, looking sad under a tree. Quaxley, quite a cute card for his evolutions are quite terrifying. A Barnyard. A Crushing Hammer. An Arven. A Cacturn. I think that's the first time I've seen this artwork. That's lovely. A Messagoza. A reverse Toddle. Again, cute little Pokemon. Cute little Squovit reverse holo. And a Houndstone. Hey, no massive pulls from this one, but hey, you've got to take a risk every time you do it. Thanks for watching. Let me know how you're getting on with your sets. And if you can, like, comment and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And thank you very much. I'll see you next time.